Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love From Lizi November 2021 card kit is here. The theme is Oh Santa, and this is such a fun kit. I will have links provided in the description box if you are interested in subscribing or purchasing the kit. Let's go ahead and show you everything that's included. I'll start with the cardstock. They're 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have mint, alcohol marker friendly white, green, light blue, and a lovely red. There's also a sheet of silver mirror. So it's super shiny. I'm just going to hide that underneath the red. There are 3 half sheets of vellum, and they have the same design that's included on the pattern paper. So this one has a bunch of different images of Santa, and it's hard to see, but they also have a glitter finish, and it's sealed glitter, so it's not going to make a mess. This final sheet has lots of stars with a pretty blue background. Then moving on to the pattern paper, these are A4 size, and you'll get a total of 12 sheets. These are all single-sided. A couple of the sheets have very large images, and I'm trying to show they also have that sealed glitter. So here's Santa with this reindeer. It's a pretty peach, and it does have a little polka dot design on the background. We have Happy Christmas with some Christmas trees and stockings. This is the similar sheet to one of the vellums, as well as this sheet with the Santa, and it has that spot glitter all along the outside edge of the ornament. There's one with lots of Christmas sentiments, some of the stars. Here's another large image, and you could cut those out and add them to your card. So you could add just the Santa or just the tree. There's another with lots of Christmas sentiments. And then we have Mrs. Claus and also Santa. The last sheet is a lovely light blue with those polka dots in the background. There's also a sheet of 3D stars, and these are really fun. You just pop them out, they're die cuts, fold in the sides. You can adhere those little folds down and have some dimension on the stars. And all the patterns coordinate with the pattern paper. There are also 2 sheets of die cut pieces. So we have icons, sentiments, some little tags, and these also have that spot glitter finish. There's 1 sticker sheet that has lots of icons, a few sentiments, and many of these items you can purchase individually as an add-on. So if you really like those stickers, you can purchase some more. Here's the stamp set this month. Lots of sentiments. There are some tiny little images, so you could create your own pattern paper. I love the font on the Merry Christmas with the holly, and also the Merry and Bright in that lower left-hand corner. There's a brand new peel-off color, and I love this one. It's blue holographic in the pinstripe style. I love the holographic colors. There are 4 tags. You'll get 2 of each design. One design has Santa and Mrs. Claus under the mistletoe, and the second has Santa adding some presents underneath the Christmas tree. There are 6 dies included in the kit this month. Get these out of the bag. There's a large banner, and this is perfect. You can use all the other dies to put inside this banner, since there's 3 sentiments. We have Merry Christmas. See how that fits perfectly inside. We also have Noel. It has a little star inside the O. And then the final is Ho, 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 3 different sizes, and those will fit inside the banner as well. The next item in the kit, we have some pre-tied bows. There are 5 bows. They all have a different design. There are a total of 6 different designs, but you will only receive 5. So your bows may be slightly different than the ones I received in my kit. These are so pretty, and all the colors coordinate perfectly with the pattern paper. Here's the sequin mix for the month, and it's so pretty. It has a patriotic look to it, so you can never go wrong with patriotic colors. The final item, there's a sheet of clear gem stickers. These are perfect for embellishments on the paper, and I love that small size. So that's everything that's included in the November 2021 Love From Lizi kit. I did receive some add-ons. There is an additional stamp set you can purchase. This is called Jingle All the Way. So we have Joy to the World, Jingle All the Way, and Merry Christmas, and a couple other little images on that set. There are 3 different peel-off bundles available this month. The first one is all pinstripe design, and this is Vintage Christmas. So we have this beautiful red mirror. There's a racing green mirror, and then some of my favorite colors. There's a clear gold mirror and a clear silver mirror. They're clear in the center and they have the silver or gold foiling on the edge. Next is the variety bundle. We have a new color in the mini circle, and it's the silver holographic, and you can see how sparkly those are. We have the ruby red in the pinstripe, apricot in the straight, and apple green in the sway. And then the final bundle, this is all pinstripe style. We have a new color, mint green with the silver finish. There's silver moon dust, ocean blue, this is beautiful blue color, and then sky blue mirror. So these colors will coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper in the kit. I also received the Oh Santa alphabet sticker sheet. So lots of small circles. We have a full alphabet and also the numbers. So that'll be perfect if you want to create your own sentiments. If you love the pattern paper and want some extra embellishments, the bumper pack is available, and this is always so much fun. These are all punch out die cut pieces, or most of it is. So we have some banners, there's little treat boxes. Here's a sheet with lots of journaling cards and images and sentiments. Little envelopes you can assemble. There's some more treat boxes. And there's always those extra little bits that you can add to your cards or project for embellishments. More images, so you could just pop those out and put them on your card. Here's a sheet with bows. These are always fun to assemble. More little treat boxes and images. Here's some tags. The bumper packs are fun since you can create other things besides cards, since you have all of these little envelopes and treat boxes. Perfect for the holidays, especially with all these little tags. You could just put those on your gifts. So more envelopes. Here is one sheet of vellum. So it has Santa and also the Christmas tree. This design is similar to the pattern paper that's included in the kit. Here's a sheet of punch out borders, another treat box. And then the final 2 sheets, we have alphabet stickers. There's numbers and some punctuation as well. So it's really packed full. The final add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. It's always one of my favorites. There are 6 sheets included. These are single-sided, so it is white on the back side. I love the colors in this bundle, and they match beautifully with the pattern paper in the kit. Now here's another look at Love From Lizi's November 2021 card kit. The theme is Oh Santa. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available. I will have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. With the November release, Lizi also had some special edition Christmas kits. They did sell out, but she was able to restock them. So there's the North Pole kit. This is Twilight Christmas, and there's a couple of paper packs. We have Festive Mint, and 2 Turtle Doves is this final collection. And I will link all of those in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.